AZ of Amazing Jobs, a fun career poem for kids. Welcome to the Bright Minds Club, where learning's always fun. Today we'll meet some awesome jobs from a right through to Z. Let's run. A is for astronaut, who soars up to space, zooming past planets at a rocket-fast pace. B is for baker, with cakes in a row, mixing and frosting until they all glow. C is for chef, who stirs in a pot, cooking up meals, tasty and hot. D is for doctor, with kind, caring hands, helping us heal with comforting plans. E is for engineer, building things tall, bridges, machines, and structures for all. F is for farmer, who works on the land, growing fresh food with a loving hand. G is for gardener, planting each seed, flowers and veggies for all to feed. H is for hairdresser, with scissors that snip, giving cool styles in just one quick clip. I is for illustrator, who draws with delight, filling the world with colors so bright. J is for journalist, searching for truth, writing the news for the old and the youth. K is for a kindergarten teacher, who sings every day, helping young children learn as they play. L is for librarian, keeping books neat, stories and facts in one tidy seat. M is for musician, with notes that will dance, playing guitars or drums to entrance. N is for nurse, who's gentle and quick, caring for patients when they are sick. O is for optician, who helps you to see, finding the right glasses for you and for me. P is for pilot, who flies through the skies, taking big planes where adventure lies. Q is for quartermaster, who keeps things in store, supplying what's needed for ships and more. R is for researcher, who studies with care, finding new answers to questions out there. S is for scientist, mixing up potions, studying stars, rocks, or even oceans. T is for teacher, who shows us the way, guiding our learning each and every day. U is for umpire, who makes the right call, keeping games fair for players and all. V is for veterinarian, who heals every pet, from kittens to parrots, the best care they get. W is for writer, with words that inspire, telling great tales that never expire. X is for xylophonist, who plays tunes with cheer, making music we all love to hear. Y is for yoga instructor, teaching us peace, stretching and breathing for calm and release. Z is for zookeeper, who cares for each friend, from lions to zebras, with love to the end. Now you've seen from A to Z, so many jobs for you and me. At Bright Minds Club, we learn and play. Come back for more fun every day.